So I needed a little wastebasket to go into my Cloffice, my closet office. So just a small one. So I picked this one up at TJ Maxx. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it up. I'm going to tape it off and I'm going to spray paint it. Either, let me put this down so I can show you. I'm either gonna paint it gold from here to here, or I may do a stripe in the middle of gold, which is gonna be a little more difficult to tape off. So I got the trash can all taped up. It's not perfect line, but nobody's really trying to be perfect here, but that looks good enough. This is just, you know, one of those grocery bags, just to make sure the paint doesn't get on the bottom half. This is how I decided to paint it, just the top part. And this is what I'm using. This is the same paint that I used for the other pieces in my Cloffice. Well, this turned out pretty good, but of course I'm not quite finished. Perfect. So now it's finished. So this will be a perfect addition to my Cloffice. So it is I think it was the trash can. It was just plain black, $7.99 from TJ Maxx. The spray paint I got from Home Depot, and this bling right here came in a roll. Let me show you, from the Dollar Tree. Now this has 3, but I bought a roll that just had the 2, and it has a sticky side, and all I did was stick it on there, made sure it was secure, and boom, I've got a trash can that fits perfectly into my office. It's so pretty, I don't even want to hide it behind the desk. So I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to keep it. I may just keep it pushed back a little bit on the side, because I like the way that thing looks. Look at that. Yes.